Hi, this is Todd Baker, your certified mortgage planner and mortgage banker with Service First Mortgage. Today I want to talk to you about the importance of working with a local mortgage banker when buying a home. To set this up, there are three primary sources consumers go to for their mortgage needs. One is a local mortgage bank, the second one is online lenders, and the third one is the big national banks. And the reason consumers go to online bankers and big national banks, and particularly if your age is 25 to 45, a lot of you are going to think, hey, online banking's better, it's going to save me money, it's easier. I want to tell you that's not the case. So first, let me show you the 5 main benefits of working with a local mortgage banker. First, savings. I compared our pricing today against the top online lender. The interest rates were the same, but they were charging 2 points for the same interest rate, so a huge savings working with us. I also compared us against 2 of the largest national banks, and our rates were an eighth better. And so once again, better savings working with a mortgage banker. It's a myth that the online bankers have better pricing. That's just to get you hooked in to call. Next, service. We have a high-touch and high-tech platform. So you're not dealing solely with call centers and emails. You're working with real people. They're there to give you the highest level of service from the point of initial contact through pre-approval and through actual purchase process and closing. And during our pre-approvals, one of the things that I'm able to do for you is update your mortgage plan on the fly. So when you find a house, we can pull the taxes and we can do an updated payment plan specific to that property so you can make a great decision. Next, speed. No one's faster than Service First Mortgage. It's important to work with someone that's nimble and can move quickly to get your file closed on time and without any stress or delays. Next is reliability. Reliability speaks to the pre-approval process. We have a pre-approval process in which we actually pre-underwrite your loans, meaning we don't just do a credit approval, we look at all your documentation and make sure that any surprises are designed out of the file so you can rely upon our pre-approval that we give you. And last is reputation. Service First Mortgage has been recognized by 2 different publications as the best mortgage company in the Metroplex. Our CEO has been recognized as one of the top 100 most influential presidents in the mortgage banking industry in the United States. We were ranked number 4 place to work in the Metroplex by our employees, which says a lot about the commitment they have and the belief they have in our company. And we also got recognized by SMU as one of the most innovative companies. So we have a great reputation, and why that matters is when a seller sees our name on the approval letter in a multiple offer situation, they're going to pick us over a national lender or the big online lenders because they know we'll close on time. In fact, just this last week, I had a file where our offer wasn't even the best, but they chose us over the other banks because Service First name was on there. Now, the disadvantages of working with the online and national lenders is number 1, there's no long-term cost analysis. They give you a simple spreadsheet. What I do is build a custom mortgage plan, amortizing your cost over 5 and 15 years, showing you all the different programs, all the different ways to structure the loan, and make sure that I put you on a plan to pay off your mortgage literally years ahead of schedule, saving you tens of thousands of dollars, and even putting you on a plan to show you how you can become a millionaire by paying your real estate off early, getting debt free, and then working on investing that long-term savings. Number 2, the service is very poor. Once again, that's why sellers don't like to work with them, buyers don't like to work with them. You'll be working with call centers and email. When I say email, I mean you send an email in, 24 hours you get a response that is a template and doesn't even respond to your specific question. That's the norm. Slow and missed closings. Their attitude is, we have the gold, we make the rules. They generally don't care if they miss closings, so they're very cumbersome to work with. And that's another reason that both your buyer's agents will always tell you, hey, go to a local mortgage bank. Next, unreliable. The pre-approval process is entirely unreliable. I see all the time. People go, they do the 8-minute approval, or they do a credit approval, they get some kind of pre-approval letter, but your tax returns haven't been looked at, your pay stubs haven't been looked at, your bank statements haven't been looked at, and then all of a sudden you go into underwriting and you find out your loan's been declined. It happens literally all the time. So when you see your buyer's agent telling you, hey, they missed closings, I see loan denials all the time. That's the reason. And then finally, bad reputation. You can go Google bait and switch tactics by any major online lender, and you will find thousands of complaints against them for failing to close on time, people losing their earnest money, poor customer service, and whatnot. So on the one hand, local mortgage banker, saving, service, speed, reliability, and fantastic reputation, extraordinary experience, lifetime relationships, someone's going to help you build wealth. Or an online lender or a national lender where really it's no long-term analysis, poor service, missed closings, unreliable, and generally a bad reputation. We'd love to help you out. Give me a call. I will build a custom mortgage plan for you that will help change your life. Thank you and have a great day.